right, big breaking news coming in. Rahul Gandhi has left for Surat. Remember, Rahul is likely today to appeal against his conviction in the defamation case, and he has left for Surat. That's the latest news coming in. Just a few minutes ago, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had reached Rahul Gandhi's residence. All the Gandhis were in a huddle. Most likely a strategy was formed. Rahul Gandhi at the moment has left for Surat. We have, of course, the latest visuals also on your screens. It's going to be a big day because the Congress is planning a massive show of strength outside the Surat court with top guns of the party, including Ashok Gehlot, Bhupesh Baghel, and of course Priyanka Gandhi herself, who are likely to accompany Rahul to Surat. Latest visuals coming in. Rahul Gandhi has left for Surat. Arunil, my colleague, is live with us on the broadcast. Arunil, live visuals coming in. Rahul Gandhi has left for Surat. Of course, it's a big day for the Congress party. Take us through the latest.
Well, that is indeed a big day for the Congress party, and some of the serious Congress leaders will be assembling in the city of Surat as a show of strength for their leader, that is Rahul Gandhi. Sometime back, Congress Karyakartas had gathered outside this sessions court where Rahul Gandhi and his legal team will be approaching and challenging the order from the magistrate court. Remember, Rahul Gandhi has been convicted in the case of damaging as well as making defamatory speeches against the OBC caste. Rahul Gandhi had basically said that all those with Modi surname are chor, are thieves, and the BJP has been repeatedly saying that Rahul Gandhi insults the OBC Samaj, and why isn't he apologizing? Rather, this is a legal issue, but why the Congress party is trying to make it a very kind of a political event, because the kind of leaders that will be assembling in Surat are some of the senior party leaders of the Congress party. That includes Priyanka Gandhi, that includes KC Venugopal, that includes the three chief ministers of the Congress ruled states in India. That is
absolutely, Arunil. So top leaders, of course, of the Congress party likely to congregate there outside the Surat court. Rahul Gandhi also likely to reach there shortly from now on. For now, thank you for joining us with all these details.